Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dashboard model, firmware, and your PC OS so you pick the correct drivers and tools. Once done, connect power to the dashboard and plug a USB or Ethernet cable between it and the PC. Make sure the PC has admin rights to install drivers. Next, enable developer or network mode on the dashboard. This opens the interfaces you'll use. You're aiming to establish a visible device in the PC's device manager or network list before moving on. With the device visible, install vendor drivers or a USB to serial adapter driver. This ensures the PC can talk to the dashboard. Once drivers are installed, decide on IP addressing. Use DHCP for quick setup or assign a static IP that matches your LAN subnet so you avoid conflicts. Then open a terminal or the vendor app and test connectivity. Ping the dashboard IP, open the serial port at the recommended baud rate, or scan for open management ports. Make sure commands return expected responses before proceeding. Now upload the dashboard configuration or install its client software on the PC and access the dashboard UI to confirm full functionality. Once connected, lock down network settings, save the configuration to firmware, and export a backup so you can recover quickly if needed. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Confirm cables and port LEDs, verify the PC firewall allows the dashboard ports, check driver status in Device Manager, and power cycle the dashboard and PC. If needed,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.